Hey guys, so now um, I'm gonna give a reaction to Nes Daily's video about the people of nature. So they live in nature and they become one with nature. Okay, so let's check the video. Actually, I have watched this video, but let's pretend I haven't watched this video. Okay, so let's start the video. Wait, okay. Okay, so let's start this video. Okay, it's the hyena. Did you guys just you guys hear that? He's a hyena man. So literally he's dangerous. Oh, so he lives in Ethiopia. Yeah, I know Ethiopia is one of the dangerous country, a wild country. I know. Yeah. Wait. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see? He just give a food to hyena by his mouth with some stick, and there's a meal, or yeah, from I don't know, maybe a cow or something, but he gives to the hyena and he is very closely to the hyena, and also he buys a lot of meal only for give hyenas. I don't have any idea about this. The hyena are his friend. I lost my mind. He even named all of those hyena. Oh my god, I didn't have any idea. Fourth generation? Oh my god. All of his past generation is giving a hyena a food. Also, man, no comment. Oh, did he just step in the fire? No. He looks very strong. Okay, his cap. Oh, he quite strong, man. His strength very big. Oh, wow. This is the real people of nature. He has become one with nature. Oh my god. Okay, he is vegan food. It's organic and 100% from nature. Wow. Oh my gosh. He just throw the iPhone. So this is the real Batman in real life. Yes. He's the real Batman. Yeah, so this is the Batman. He is Richard and he helping the Bat. Oh, this is my brother. Okay. From that story, my conclusion is if you do good to other, maybe you will get the benefit from it. Maybe the animal or someone that you help will help you someday. Okay, so that's just from me. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow. Woo.